Good morning. Just another day with goofy old me. Bad lighting, bad camera angles, hair in my face. You know how it goes. Some of you anyway. Well, it's Saturday morning, another day. There's car shows this afternoon, another car show this evening. I think I mentioned the Latin Fest at Leadfoot City up here in Brooksville. We might have to go check that out. We're gonna roll up there in the wagon maybe. Shine her up a little bit. If you ever tried shining up a turd, we'll see how that goes. But for now, this morning, I think we're going to work on the timing. But it's nice to see it not on jack stands. It's a wonderful thing. Drove it around the neighborhood yesterday. Didn't crash or burn yet. I stressed the yet part. But that's what we're going to do. We're going to pop the hood, put some lines on the marks, because they're almost impossible to see now, and then get this thing timed up, let the computer take over, see how she drives. I'll be back. First thing I got to do is get things cleaned up so I can see what I'm doing. Here's the timing marks, all cleaned up. Now we got to find one on the dampener. So there it is, kind of a yellow mark on the zero. See what happens when I start the car and get it running, if I can still see that or not. And there it is, got a big white mark on the damper. We'll see what we get here now. I'll go up top, hook up the light, start it up, see if we get the white in the middle of the yellow, and we'll be all set. These cars, you set them to zero, plug them back in, let the computer take over, and they do the work from there. See you back up top. Got the light hooked up, start the car, see what we got. Mark is way off. So here's the now problem. Trying to get it timed up. Right here. Have a look. The distributor hits the coil. Well, apparently when I put the distributor back in after I rebuilt it, I missed by a gear. So another offset, time to pull the distributor again. See you in a minute. Coil's out. I got the distributor out. Now I got to see if I can turn the gear, get it lined back up where it's supposed to be. I got it back in. I hope I turned it the right way. Screwing up sucks. My favorite thing, working on things you can't see. All the parts are back in. I'm gonna fire it up, see what we got. That's how long it's been sitting, smoking everywhere. I'm gonna plug the computer back in, see what it does. I think we're gonna call it for now on the Mad Max machine. It's some car shows. Well, at least one I want to catch tonight. Try to go up to that Latin Fest up at Leadfoot City. So gonna work on shining up the turd. That's what we're taking to Latin Fest. And maybe I'll shoot some video out there and see what it's all about. Maybe I'll see you guys at the car show. Till then, see ya.